Well, friends, we have reached the last day of our Vijayadashmi celebrations. And on this last day, we start with a pleasant surprise. So here we go, friends. Hold on to your seats.
जय अम्बे मात की जय।
Hare teacher. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me the wonderful opportunity for the last 5 days. Today we are going to sing the Kalyana song and the Lali song and we are singing. திருக்கல்யாண வைபவம் கண்டே திருக்கல்யாண வைபவம் கண்டே காஞ்சி காமாட்சி காமேஸ்வரருடன் திருக்கல்யாண வைபவம் கண்டேன் காஞ்சி காமாட்சி காமேஸ்வரருடன் திருக்கல்யாண வைபவம் கண்டேன் ஆனந்த மண்டபத்தில் 4 வேதம் ஒலிக்க ஆனந்த மண்டபத்தில் 4 வேதம் ஒலிக்க நாதஸ்வரம் முழங்க நானிலம் வியக்க திருக்கல்யாண வைபவம் கண்டே காமாட்சி கரம் தன்னை காமேஸ்வரர் கையில் கண்ணனும் தாரை காமாட்சி கரம் தன்னை காமேஸ்வரர் கையில் கண்ணனும் தாரை பார்க்க பூமாரி பொழிந்திட கோம புகையுடன் நம்மி மிதித்திடவே சுவாமியுடன் தேவி ஒய்யார நடையுடன் கோம புகையுடன் அம்மி மிதித்திடவே தேவியுடன் சுவாமி ஒய்யார நடையுடன் வானவர் தேவர்கள் கண்டு மகிழ்ந்திடவே வானவர் தேவர்கள் கண்டு மகிழ்ந்திடவே பூவுலகம் தனில் காஞ்சியில் கோயில் கொண்ட பூவுலகம் தனில் காஞ்சியில் கோயில் கொண்ட கல்யாண வைபவம் கண்டே காஞ்சி காமாட்சி காமேஸ்வரருடன் திருக்கல்யாண வைபவம் கண்டே லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் ஸ்ரீலட்சுமி எங்கள் லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் ரிஷபாத்ரி திருப்பதியில் வெங்கடேஸ்வர அரவணையில் ரிஷபாத்ரி திருப்பதி வெங்கடேஸ்வர அரவணையில் அபயகஸ்த அலங்காரம் அலமேலும் மங்கையாக லாலி ஆடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலி ஆடினாள் ஸ்ரீலட்சுமி என்று எங்கள் லாலி ஆடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலி ஆடினாள் ஸ்ரீரங்கபதியினில் ஆதிசேஷ நரவணையில் ஸ்ரீரங்கபதியினில் ஆதிசேஷ நரவணையில் மந்தகாச வதனமோடு ரங்கநாத சகிதமாக லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் ஸ்ரீலட்சுமி என்று எங்கள் லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் ஸ்ரீ காஞ்சி தந்திலே கருட வாகனத்திலே ஸ்ரீ காஞ்சி தந்திலே கருட வாகனத்திலே வரதராஜ சகிதமாக பெருந்தேவி தாயார் லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் ஸ்ரீலட்சுமி என்று எங்கள் லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் சரையூ நதி தீரத்திலே அயோத்தி மாநகரினிலே சரையூ நதி தீரத்திலே அயோத்தி மாநகரினிலே ஸ்ரீராம சகிதமாக சீதாதேவி லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் ஸ்ரீலட்சுமி என்று எங்கள் லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் பிரகலாதன் முறையை கேட்டு தூணை பிளந்து காட்சி அளித்த பிரகலாதர் முறையை கேட்டு தூணை பிளந்து காட்சி அளித்த நரசிம்ம சகிதமாக லட்சுமி நரசிம்மரோ லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் ஸ்ரீலட்சுமி என்று இங்கு லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் ஸ்ரீ வில்லிபுத்தூர்தனிலே பெரியாழ்வா திருமகளாய் ஸ்ரீ வில்லிபுத்தூர்தனிலே பெரியாழ்வா திருமகளாய் சூடி கொடுத்த சுடற்கொடியாய் ரங்க மன்னார் சகிதமாக லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் ஸ்ரீலட்சுமி என்று இங்கு லாலியாடினாள் லட்சுமி லாலியாடினாள் தங்கலாலி ஆடினாள் புஷ்பலாலி ஆடினாள் முத்தலாலி ஆடினாள். ராமகிருஷ்ணன். I would like to tell something. We are indeed blessed to have Mangataman coming in the form of
Lakshmi presenting all these days. Very lucky our parivar is, extremely lucky. Okay, we just thought about Navratri and so many things have happened, so many. Okay, without delay, I would like Narayan to go to the next one. We are really hard pressed for time because we have to give you a lot today.
Yes.
So next item, Narayan.
Next is the only Samarpanam today,
Yeah.
and that is by Vidya. Vidya, you have to do your Samarpanam. The song you have
Thank
said.
Yes. Ramakrishna Hari teacher, Mama, Narayan Mama, and everybody. Thanks for the lovely event all the while, teacher. So my first Samarpanam will begin with a mini surprise, and that's a surprise to teacher as well. All right. So Mama, you can start the video.
No, there is no surprise.
No.
There is no surprise.
No, it's only the song.
Okay. Then I will start with the song.
Yeah, please.
We can't see you on the screen. Where are you?
Now, teacher.
No.
One second. Now.
Ah.
புது மலர்தனிலே வீற்றிருப்பான் புது மலர்தனிலே வீற்றிருப்பான் புது மலர்தனிலே வீற்றிருப்பாய் புது மலர்தனிலே வீற்றிருப்பாய் என்றும் புதுமையுடன் நீயே புன்னகை தவழ புது மலர்தனிலே வீற்றிருப்பாய் வெள்ளை தாமரை தன்னில் வீணையுடன் நீயே வெள்ளை தாமரை தன்னில் வீணையுடன் நீயே வெள்ளை களையுடுத்து வீற்றிருப்பவளே வேண்டினேன் உன்னையே வேண்டும் வரம் தாராய் வேண்டினேன் உன்னையே வேண்டும் வரம் தாராய் வேத கலாமயே கீத ஸ்வரூபிணி புது மலர்தனிலே வீற்றிருப்பாய் நாத சிரசிலே நவரத்ன வீணையில் நாதம் மீட்டும் நவரசரூபிணி நாத சிரசிலே நவரத்ன வீணையில் நாதம் மீட்டும் நவரசரூபிணி நாகாபரண பூஷணி ரஞ்சினி நாகாபரண பூஷணி ரஞ்சினி நான் முகன் நாயகி நலமருளாயோ நான் முகன் நாயகி நலமருளாயோ புது மலர்தனிலே வீற்றிருப்பாய் ஆயக்கலைகள் அறுபத்து நான்கிற்கும் அதிபதியே எங்கள் அம்மை சரஸ்வதியே ஆயக்கலைகள் அறுபத்து நான்கிற்கும் அதிபதியே எங்கள் அம்மை சரஸ்வதியே அகிலமெல்லாம் போற்றும் சதுர்புஜ தேவியே அகிலமெல்லாம் போற்றும் சதுர்புஜ தேவியே அடிபணிந்தோம் உன்னை வரமருளாயோ புது மலர்தனிலே வீற்றிருப்பாய் வாகீஸ்வரியே வாணியே சரணம் வந்தடி பணிந்தோம் நன்மலர் தூவி வாகீஸ்வரியே வாணியே சரணம் வந்தடி பணிந்தோம் நன்மலர் தூவி வானவர் போற்றிடும் கான மனோஹரி வானவர் போற்றிடும் கான மனோஹரி கான வினோதினி கடை கண் பாராயோ கான வினோதினி கடை கண் பாராயோ புதுமலர் தனிலே வீட்டிருப்பார் புஸ்தகரூபத்தில் ஆயுதரூபத்தில் புண்ணியவதியுன்னை கைதொழில்வோம் புஸ்தகரூபத்தில் ஆயுதரூபத்தில் புண்ணியவதியுன்னை கைதொழில்வோம் நவரசராகத்தில் நாதஸ்வரூபத்தில் நவராசராகத்தில் நாதஸ்வரூபத்தில் நவராத்திரி தனிலொன்னை பாடி மகிழவே நவராத்திரி தனிலொன்னை பாடி மகிழவே புதுமலர் தனிலே வீற்றிருப்பாய் என்றும் புதுமையுடன் நீயே புன்னகை தவழ புதுமலர் தனிலே புதுமலர் தனிலே புதுமலர் 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 தனிலே
Okay, please, now we move to the next dance performance by the most active Parivar, Vashi Parivar, and that is a presentation which I will do now. Please give me a minute to set the presentation. Can you see it on the screen?
Yeah.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
तन्नाने नानाने 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 तानाने तन्नन्नाने तंगम्मे तयिलाले तानाने तानन्नन्ने तंगम्मे कुयिलाले நான் மாட கூடலடி நாற்புறமும் கோயிலடி நான் மாட கூடலடி நாற்புறமும் கோயிலடி கோயில் மாநகரினிலே இருக்கும் மன்னையடி ஸ்ரீசக்கர வடிவத்திலே திகழும் மதுரையடி சீருடனே மீனாட்சி அரசாளும் பூமியடி தன்னானே தானானே 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 தன்னன்னானே தங்கம்மே தையிலாளே தானானே தானன்னே தங்கம்மே குயிலாளே மானமுள்ள வைகையது நடனமிடும் ஊரடியோ மானமுள்ள வைகையது நடனமிடும் ஊரடியோ மங்காத புகழுடனே மனம் கமரும் தேரடியோ சங்கம் வைத்து தமிழ் வளர்த்த சான்றோர்களிடமடியோ சங்கடங்கள் தீர்த்து வைப்பால் சக்தி அவள் குணமடியோ தன்னானே நானானே தானானே 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 தன்னே தங்கம்மை தையில்லாளே தானானே தானே தங்கம்மை குயிலாளே சந்திரனை சிரமணிந்த சித்தரவர் தலமடியோ சந்திரனை சிரமணிந்த சித்தரவர் தலமடியோ சங்கரனார் மீனாட்சியை கரம் பிடித்த நகரடியோ பொற்றாமரை நடுவிருக்கும் பொலிவான குளமடியோ பூத்திருக்கும் புன்னகையால் புவியாளும் அழகனடியோ தன்னானே நானானே தானானே நானானே தானானே தானே தங்கம்மை தையில்லாளே தானானே நன்னே தங்கம்மை குயிலாளே ஏழ்கடலும் பொங்கி வந்து இருந்ததிந்த ஊரினிலே ஏழ்கடலும் பொங்கி வந்து இருந்ததிந்த ஊரினிலே எண்ணில்லா விளையாடல் நடந்ததிந்த நகரினிலே முக்குருணி முன்னவனும் உக்கிரனான் இளையவனும் மட்டில்லா மகிழ்வுடனே திகழ்ந்திடுவார் பாங்கியரே தன்னானே தானானே 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 தானே தங்கம்மை தையில்லாளே தானானே நானே தங்கம்மை குயிலாளே கும்மியடி கும்மியடி குதித்தாடி கும்மியடி 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 குதித்தாடி கும்மியடி சொக்கேசர் பாகம் கொண்டால் புகழ்பாடி கும்மியடி ஊரழகும் தேரழகும் உரத்த சொல்லி கும்மியடி உலகை வெல்லும் மீனாளின் பிழையை போற்றி கும்மியடி தன்னானே தானானே 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 தன்னே தங்கம்மை தையில்லாளே தானானே தானே தங்கம்மை போயில்லாளே தானானே தானே தங்கம்மை தையில்லாளே தானானே தானே தங்கம்மை குயிலாளே
Superb.
Okay. Now we come to our first surprise of the day. And
Radha, mute pannu.
the first surprise of the day, and that is a Garba performance. And that is also a recording which I am going to present now. And you can see for yourself who it is. Or should I tell you the name?
You can.
Anuprita Prabhu.
Yeah. Anuprita is from our Wednesday batch, evening 6:30 to 7:30 online class. She's going to present a Garba.
Shall I start?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Lovely, Anupita. Beautiful.
Very much. Thank you.
Okay. Now we go to our next surprise. Please mute everyone. We go to our next surprise, and that is a Golu. A Golu which I think most of you know about, but you have been waiting for it. Shall I go for the Golu?
Yes.
Yes. Give me a minute, sir.
Padma Badri needs no introduction. Formerly a member of our Vrindavan Parivar. Right now, she is studying online on Thursdays. Welcome, Padma.
Shall I start?
Today's theme is Srinivasa Kalyanam. She is extremely well known. We all every year visit her Golus because it is always a thematic Golu. And this year, I don't know, not this year, what she is going to present right now is Srinivasa Kalyanam for us. Ram Krishna. Yes? Narayan?
Hello, I'm Padma Badri from Gulundis, Mumbai. Every year I make a thematic Gulu, and this year the theme is Srinivasa Kalyanam or Tirupati Balaji. The uniqueness of this Gulu is every year I make the dolls on my own. Let's be a part of this Kalyanam and enjoy the Kalyanam. In scene 1, Lord Vishnu had returned to Vaikuntham after this Krishna avatar on earth. Many sages had come together to perform a yagna under the guidance of sage Kashyapa. Narada approached them and asked, "Have you decided who among Shiva, Brahma and Vishnu will receive the final offerings of the yagna?" This creates a commotion and Narada suggests to ask Sage Bhrigu. Sage Bhrigu decided to visit all the three lokas and decide. Going on to scene 2. Sage Bhrigu first arrived in Brahmaloka, but Brahma was busy listening to the veena played by Saraswati and did not notice Sage Bhrigu. This was taken as an insult by the sage and he cursed Brahma that he will not be worshipped in any form on earth. Next scene. He then moves to Kailash Parvat to meet Shiva. He was busy talking with Parvati and did not notice the entry of Sage Bhrigu. Sage Bhrigu was outraged by his behavior and cursed Shiva that he will henceforth be worshipped only in the form of lingam by all on earth. Sage Bhrigu moves on to Vaikuntham. Here also Vishnu was busy with Lakshmi and did not notice Sage Bhrigu. Bhrigu was full of anger and kicked Vishnu on his chest. Vishnu immediately fell at Sage Bhrigu's feet and seeked apologies and pinched the third eye in Bhrigu's soul, thus ending his arrogance. Lakshmi was upset as Sage Bhrigu kicked Lord Vishnu on his chest, a place where she resided, and insulted her. But Lord Vishnu, instead of reprimanding him, fell at his feet. She leaves to Bhuloka in Kolhapur. Thus starts the story of Srinivasa Tirupati Balaji. Scene 5. Searching for Lakshmi, Vishnu comes to earth and steps into Sheshachalam hills, where he meditated in an anthill without food or water and continues his tapas till Kali Yuga. Brahma and Shiva took the form of cow and calf, and they were taken by Lakshmi to the Chola king under the plan of Narada. Scene 7. The cow was not yielding any milk, and the queen suspected the cowherd and took him to task. The cowherd followed the cow secretly and found out that the cow was milking the entire milk at the anthill. In a fit of anger, he threw his axe at the cow, and to his horror, Vishnu stepped out to protect the cow. The king is terrified to see the cow and calf and follows them to see Lord Vishnu and the unconscious cowherd. Lord Vishnu curses the king for such a thing to have happened in his kingdom and curses him that he will have no heir. The king falls at the feet of the Lord and seeks forgiveness. The Lord forgives him and says in his next birth he will be born as Akasha Raja and the Lord will marry his daughter. Vedavati was the daughter of sage Kushadvaja. Many grooms wished to marry her, but the sage was bent upon giving her daughter to Lord Vishnu himself. The vengeful grooms killed the sage and his wife, and Vedavati was left all alone. Vedavati then started to meditate on Lord Vishnu. Ravana wishes to marry her and disturbs her meditation and pursues further. Vedavati seeks the protection of Lord Agni, and thus Lord Agni protects her. The Chola king is reborn as Akash Raja in the foothills of Sheshachalam. The king went to sage for advice to have a child, and as advised by them, a havan is done, and the king and queen are asked to plough the land. Then they find a box with a baby girl on the lotus flower. Lord Agni appears and says she is the reincarnation of Vedavati and is destined to marry Lord Vishnu. As she was found in a lotus, she is named as Padmavati. Meanwhile, Lord Vishnu stayed at Srinivasa with his foster mother Vapla Devi in Adivara Kshetra near Tirupati. One day when Srinivasa was hunting, he sees a rogue elephant chasing some women. He subdues the elephant and chases it and learns that Princess Padmavati is one of the women with her friends and falls in love with her. The next scene, Srinivasa insists to his foster mother to meet Akasha Raja and ask her hand in marriage to him. Vapla Devi is not convinced but thinks of going to meet the king and queen for the sake of Srinivasa. Next, Vishnu reads her mind and to help her goes in a disguise of fortune teller, a Korati, and predicts that a proposal will soon come and they must not refuse it, as she is destined to marry Lord Vishnu. Vapla Devi meets the king and queen seeking her hand for Srinivasa. Thus the marriage between Srinivasa and Padmavati is set. In scene 16, since Srinivasa had no money and he was marrying a princess, he approached Kubera, the lord of wealth, to give him a loan, with which he built a beautiful home for Padmavati, which was like Vaikuntha itself. The day of wedding arrived and Srinivasa marries Padmavati, fulfilling Vedavati's destiny and his promise in the presence of Brahma, Vishnu and all the gods who come in the form of human to bless the couple. Thus, Srinivasa marries Padmavati.
Just send this link.
This is a small brass and copperware collection.
Wow. Beautiful.
This is Rasa Leela. All are hand-stuffed cotton dolls.
Real.
Radha Krishna made with a different face. Geetopadesha. The girl all decked up for a Krishna. A few of the dancing dolls which have made Bharatanatyam here. Manipuri. Odissi.
Various consequences.
Mohiniyattam. Kathak. Is Andal waiting to garland her Krishna?
Andal. No. Dude.
It's a modern age girl. These are different dolls made with wooden face and wire. These are called wire dolls. These villages. Hope you enjoyed being a part of the Srinivasa Kalyanam.
Yeah.
Please leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.
Wonderful. Wonderful, Padma. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Congratulations.
Doll and
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है.
each doll made by her.
No one can match you.
They're all handmade. So
No one can match you, Padma. No one can match you.
Easy comparison. Months well in advance, 4 to 5 months well in advance. She selects the theme and she works on it. It's totally.
It's a really very hard work. Very hard work. Very nice. Very
Really proud of you, Padma. And we are blessed today to see this beautiful Srinivasa Kalyan. Our parivar is blessed, I can tell you. All of you are giving bhar ke. Only thing, due to constraints, certain things we cannot. We already have a fixed plan, because of which we have to go according to the plan. I think in the last minute insertion, we cannot do. That's it. All of you are equally talented. Thank you so much, Padma.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. That was nice, Padma. Now let's move on. Now we go to teacher. We have the Vidyarambam coming up.
Yes.
Please mute everyone.
One person can. There is Jina.
Yeah, teacher.
Can you please unmute yourself?
The
Because I
others,
would like that all the others can mute themselves.
but
One
they can
person
be on
can-
video mode if they want, so that the faces can be seen.
I want to hear the voice. That's it. Because when I am teaching you all, I should know till where you all have come. That's it. Who is Rashmi? Please unmute yourself. Sorry, Rashmi, please mute yourself.
Yes.
Shall I start, please? Today, I'm going to teach you, because we have to do this Vidyarambam, most auspicious day. So, I'm going to start with you all a very beautiful, catchy Nama Sankirtanam. Because that is what our Abhang Parivar is for, to carry the Nama Sankirtanam ahead. So, Vithala Panduranga. All of you can sing. Only Jina, unmute yourself and sing, so that I'll know where exactly. Vithala Panduranga.
Vithala Panduranga, Vithala Panduranga.
Vithala Panduranga. Vithala Panduranga.
Vithala Panduranga, Vithala Panduranga.
Panduranga.
पांडुरंग
रंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग
पांडुरंग विठ्ठला
Yesterday the script was given to all of you. Please open the script. So accordingly, all of you mute yourself. There is a lot of disturbance with people who have not muted. I only want Jina so that I understand where exactly we have come. Shanka Chakradhara Vaijayantidhara.
चक्रधर वैजयंती
Shanka Chakradhara Vaijayantidhara.
Oh, sorry, teacher. I muted. She was under the name of Vaidyanathan Shankar.
Pitambaradhara Govardhanadhara.
Hello. I muted Gina by mistake, teacher, because she was under the name of Vaidyanathan Shankar. So I thought.
No problem. Jina, can you please unmute yourself? By mistake it was on. Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Pitambaradhara Govardhanadhara.
पीतांबरधर गोवर्धनधर
Paradhara Govardhanadhara.
पीतांबरधर गोवर्धनधर
Mala Govitagala.
माला
Mala Govitagala. Garuda Gamana Saganava. Re Pandari Raya.
विठलाये रे पंढरी राया विठलाये रे
Mastakalinga Swarupalinga.
मस्तकलिंगा स्वरूपलिंगा
Banga Sajjana Sangha.
रूपा भंगा सज्जन संगा
तिलका Manmada Janaka.
यदुकुल तिलका मन्मद जनका
Pavana Dina Dayala.
पवित पावना दीन दयाला
Dina Dayala.
पवित पावना दीन दयाला
Re Pandari Raya Vitalaye re.
विठलाये रे पंढरी राया विठलाये रे
Upa Vishwasvarupa.
त्रिभुवन रूपा विश्वस्वरूपा
Hariti Papa.
भवभयतापा हरिति पापा
Anta Rupa Ananta.
रुक्मिणी कांता रूप अनंता
Jabhava Kalena.
जननी जनक तुझा भाव कळेना
तुझ्या भाव कळेना विठ्ठला रे पंढरी राया विठ्ठला रे.
जननी जनक तुझा भाव कळेला
विठ्ठला रे
पंढरीराये रे
पंढरी राया विठ्ठला रे पंढरी राया विठ्ठला रे.
पंढरीराया विठ्ठलाये रे पंढरीराया विठ्ठलाये रे.
तीरे उभे विठेवरी
चंद्रभागे तीरे उभे विठेवरी
रंगशिलेवरी
कर्कटावरी रंगशिलेवरी
गरुड वाहिनी
महाद्वारी गरुडवाहिनी
महाद्वारी गरुडवाहिनी
महाद्वारी गरुडवाहिनी
जनार्दन स्वामी
जनार्दन स्वामी
जनार्दन स्वामी विठ्ठला रे पंढरी राया विठ्ठला रे विण विण आता जनार्दन स्वामी विठ्ठला रे पंढरी राया विठ्ठला रे विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग
विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग
विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग
पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग
विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग
पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग
विठ्ठला पांडुरंग
विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पांडुरंग
पांडुरंग पांडुरंग
पांडुरंग पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पांडुरंग
पांडुरंग पांडुरंग पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग
रंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग 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 विठ्ठल पांडुरंग
विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग all of you together विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल
पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल 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 पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठल
रामकृष्ण हरी
पांडुरंग रामकृष्ण रामकृष्ण हरी टीचर
please mute
Ramakrishna Hare.
yeah please mute
रामकृष्ण हरी
Please mute. After that
Samarpanam
nice,
is over.
wonderful Vidyarambam, we'll have another Vidyarambam now.
Yeah, we are waiting. Who is that another one?
Okay. That's bigger than you.
Oh my God!
Somebody who can beat you. Just give me a second.
We can't see properly.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Who is it?
Start off. Let me start. Somebody came in just now. Let me know. Can you see?
Yeah, we can see.
That's all.
Thank you very much. Thanks. Oh, that is our Vivek. And he is 11-month-old baby girl who is learning from her father. Sare ga ma, she full blast. Pa karke. That's good.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Now,
that was the Vidya Rambam, which was a surprise.
baby, yes.
That was a cute Vidya Rambam.
And as I said, that is better than teachers.
Full blast. Pa.
Yes, yes.
That's good. So,
Okay.
What
Okay.
is the
Now we are coming towards the conclusion of
yes.
the Vijayadashmi day and this Navaratri program. But before that, I think we have some observations, announcements, and a vote of thanks, which is coming up. So first, for the observations, and this observation, I invite a special person, that is Pradyumna, to make his observations on the group and what has been going on so far. Okay, I would request people to keep muted, and let me start. What I have seen as an outsider and now an insider, of course, is this is a very lively, jovial group, well behaved and disciplined to a larger extent, but not to the total extent. Okay, some of the lacunae which can be rectified are here. I hope you all will take it in the right spirit and not mind anything about it.
Yes.
Some of you, in your devotional enthusiasm, chose very long samarpanams or did multiple samarpanams, ignoring the time limit given.
Yes.
It was good that Google has extended the unlimited time for a meet, otherwise many would have missed their samarpanams. Each member should adhere to the time schedule so more activities can be undertaken. This is one. Then uninterrupted and undisturbed performance is the right of every performer. So others should be alert to see they go in silent mode as soon as performance is announced. And Pradyuman doesn't have to come in saying mute and unmute. Applause should be limited or better still avoided. You have the group forum to express your views.
Perfect.
And there are some perennial latecomers who come in late every day, And this not only creates disruptions, but prove that they lack time management. Because the time is scheduled, at 12 o'clock it is going to start. And if you are not able to come in that time every day, that means something is wrong with you. They are like the people who reach the cinema after the movie starts. Okay. And there are many, and in conclusion, there are many separate parivars of teacher, but this event has brought them all together. And now there is a camaraderie between various members who did not even know each other. Such events in future will be more encompassing and bring togetherness. And towards this end, teacher has some announcements, which I request her to come and make the announcements.
Ramkrishnari friends, never dreamt that our VVP Navratri celebration could be so grand with all the goddesses blessing our Vishwavarkari Parivar. No goddess has left us. Everybody, Santoshi Mata, Durga Devi, Manga Timman, everybody has, all the Devis have come and blessed us all the 10 days. We are indeed blessed. We Vishwavarkari Parivar members are really, really blessed. Without mincing words, I would like to say many things which have worked for your advantage, for the advantage of our Parivar. First and foremost, there were many people in the Parivar who had made the comment that teacher, we should have many events like this. Yes, we should have many more events like this. Yes. First and foremost, this Vishwavarkari Parivar Navratri celebration has brought all the Parivars together. The VVP, the people, you people, many of you who have been with me since years. Many of the online classes which have just started. Online classes from Ashadhi Ekadashi, just before Ashadhi Ekadashi was Bhandu class and Neptune. And after that were Sunday class, then we had Thursday class and all. So, this is a forum when the Wednesday people came to know you all, the Thursday people came to know you all, Sunday people came to, this is what I wanted. All of you should get to know each other very well. Now they know who is Bhuma, they know who is Savitri, now they know who is Rekha. Everybody knows everybody. This is what I wanted mainly. That was my idea. Now we are not going to leave it like this. It's not Ayaram Dayaram. Sorry. I am going to have this in the right spirit. My plan is, I'm really grateful to Narayan for taking up this concept and bringing all of us together so beautifully. He has managed. Not a single day has he told me, teacher, we can't do this. No. Yes, we can do it, sir. Teacher, we can do it. You just leave it to me. Give me some time, we will do it. Such a lot of encouragement. So much encouragement. And I'm thankful to you, Nara. I don't have no words at all to thank you.
Thanks a lot.
And really. See, because when we have a person like you to support me online, because nowadays, because of the scenario, we can't meet each other. I just can't, like previous, how I used to go travel, meet my students and come, go to the class, waste of time for me, waste of energy. In fact, after the COVID, we have been doing much more than what I used to come and do for you all. Much more. I want to do much more. And now that Narayan has agreed, I have spoken to him and he has agreed principally that he will help me out. He is a great anchor and a very calm and pleasing personality to handle all of us. Yeah. So first thing is, our VVP study will go as it is. But we will be having every Saturday 1 hour, 11:30 to 12:30 every Saturday, all of us are going to meet. Each one of us are going to meet like this Saturday. There are so many abhangs our Guru has given. Because of the study group and so many other things, I am not able to give. So that is remaining stagnant. So I want to impart more knowledge. This will go. Study group will go on. That is going on. That's a revision sort of. But we will be having every Saturday 11:30 to 12:30. We will be going to have, I'll be teaching you all Abhanga and one-time revision. I will plan it out, but all the 4 Saturdays we are all going to meet. Everybody. So that everybody gets to know everybody. There will be a lot of interaction among you all. And you people are going to learn something very, very new every Saturday 11:30 to 12:30. Narayan has agreed. It is him who is doing the anchoring and putting us all together. It is he who is making us meet. And this opportunity, Vitthal has chosen Narayan for us. He is Narayan himself. And really I am thankful to him. Immediately he agreed. Yes, teacher, we will do. Instead of 12, we will start at 11:30. So 11:30 to 12:30, we will have 1 hour, only 1 hour. So as he said, we should all be very conscious about our time. Time is very precious. We will have only 1 hour session. Within that, I'll take up the Abhang, I'll explain to you all. Any doubts, we'll clarify and we'll discuss. We will let the thing get started, then many more ideas will come to me how to give you. Is that okay for you all? Is that okay?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
I can meet you all. The thing is, I can see you all face to face. I can see Savitri. I can see Vidya. I can see Kamala Mami. I can see Swarna. I can see all of you. That is what I want.
There is just
Secondly-
one. There's just one thing I want to add, which I think teacher will not be saying anything about it. But hello, please mute all. I have some. Hello, Anuradha.
Uma.
Please
Uma,
mute.
Uma.
Teacher, I think you have finished, no? Can I proceed?
Yeah, mine is over. Please.
Yeah.
Uma Mohan, please mute.
Hello. Someone is. Hello, please mute all. Yeah. Now we move on. As you all know, teacher, let me give a little background about this, whatever I'm going to talk about now. As you all know, teacher, after getting Diksha from Guru Tukaram Ganpati Maharaj, had happily taken upon herself the noble task of imparting lessons on Abhang for years together, with having so many parivars, without any expectations from her students. None of her students had been paying her, or she was asking for any fees or anything of that sort. And all her students, older students, they will all vouch for this fact. And due to COVID, her eagerness and enthusiasm to teach her students new things in the path of Paramarth earned her appreciation from her gurus, who felt that imparting knowledge without Guru Dakshina was not the right way, which I think we all feel. Not only your gurus, the students as well. And that is why, and you have been doing it for years without any expectations, just for the sake of service and devotion towards Vittal. But as because of your nature, you were unable to understand how to go about it, and you were in total dilemma as how to disobey the gurus also, since it was an instruction from their side. But soon after Guru Purnima, Vittal solved the problem. On the 5th of July, your students unanimously told you that every month they'll be paying you as Samarpanam, a sum of rupees 500, a Samarpanam to Vittu per person. But in the meantime, your online classes, they had already asked you, and since you were not bothered about the money part and things like that, you just said a figure of 300. Okay. But now that we are all one parivar, that is the VVP parivar, and as we don't want any disparity in the fees structure, I think we all should decide that we should have a uniform structure of 500 rupees per month. And henceforth from November, each and every parivar member will contribute rupees 500, whether it is online or offline, whoever it was, all the members of the parivar. And the old ones, the new ones, everyone. And I think Meena Kannan, who has been a strong backbone to the parivar since many years, has been taking care of the account so far, and she will continue to do so, along with Vishwanath ji, supporting her or helping her like that. And both of them will work in coordination. Everybody's Samarpanam will be posted in the newly formed VVP. This VVP Navaratri group will only become VVP, and more parivar members will be added to that. Samarpanam group, it will be separate, VVP Samarpanam group from November onwards. I think you all can unmute and say whether you agree to this or not.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes,
Yes,
Thank you. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, as
Yes.
teacher, you have anything to add on my suggestion? Teacher, you have anything to add on my suggestion? Hello, teacher is there? Teacher?
What happened?
Teacher is muted. Teacher?
She's on mute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mute left.
சொல்லுங்க
Yeah,
Naren.
unmuted. No, I said, you have anything to add to my suggestion?
Perfect.
Thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
so much, Narayan. And we are all comfortable. The entire parivar is comfortable with you right now. And I'm sure I'm not money minded. So, but then I cannot disobey my guru. I've got my guru. He is everything for me. So after their suggestion, I didn't have the heart to disobey him. I didn't have the heart. For years together, I have not had anything. But the first class, that is Manduk Parivar, I didn't know what to ask because he had told I told 300. But now, as you very rightly put, everybody there will be a uniformity for everybody, 500 rupees per month, so that there won't be any disparity.
Correct.
Correct. Everybody is same.
Correct, teacher.
And one thing only I want is all of us should enjoy all the 4 Saturdays. 4 Saturdays, 1 hour we get. Many things we can, we can plan, we can make the parivar, take it to a great height, to a bigger level. It's simple. That's what I want.
And as you said, the 4th Saturday will be Students' Day out.
4th day, sorry, I forgot to tell. 4th Saturday will be the student, like baby's day out, we'll be having the students' day out. All of us are going to freak, not I. Teacher won't freak, you people are going to freak with your activities, which we are going to see many more. Today we have to refer some people. But on the 4th Saturday of every month, my students, all of you, but we have to tell well in advance so that we are be selecting only 12 people at a time. Only that much time we'll have. So we will enjoy and freak out on the 4th Saturday of every month. Okay? Is that okay for you all?
Yes.
Okay, teacher. Okay.
All of us.
Yes,
teacher. Okay.
3 Saturday studies, 1 Saturday freaking out.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Now,
But
we
all
continue.
4 Saturdays, Pratyuman will be Pratyuman,
From Pradyuman, he became Karun Jain. From Karun Jain, what is that? Adalat ka? Kedi Patel.
Keep giving me titles. I don't mind.
கொஞ்சனா கூட நீங்க கூட இருந்தா நிறைய டைட்டில்ஸ் வந்துடும் உங்களுக்கு.
Yes.
Okay, we'll come to the end now.
Yeah, okay. Now I request Vishwanath ji to give the vote of thanks today in conclusion of this whole event.
All of you mute. This idea of Navaratri celebration was conceived by Geeta and myself, teacher and myself. But then how to go about it? Well, then we discussed with Nalini, and she formed a group of Vivat Navaratri, and we got a
Sir,
overwhelming.
we can't see you. Sir, we can't see you.
Yeah, Mama, frame la wango, please.
You can hear me.
Panel.
You can hear me now. That's enough.
No, we should see you, no, sir.
இப்போ காண்றதா? இப்போ
Oh,
காண்றதா?
upa kanadu. Teacher kanadu.
Both of us?
Yes, both.
Now he will talk.
I'll start from beginning. See, this idea of Navaratri celebration was conceived by teacher and myself, but we didn't know how to go about it, so we spoke to Nalini, and then we formed the VV Navaratri group, and all of you joined, and with enthusiasm you gave into that, and then we went to how to organize the Navaratri. Then Vittal came in the group of Narayan. Narayan is also another name for Vittal. So it's actually Vittal
too
only.
much.
And he came to our rescue and made this meet very encouraging and then useful, and made this happen. So a great thanks to Narayan and Nalini. All of you unmute for 1 minute.
Thank you, sir.
We give 3 cheers.
Thank you so very much, Narayan Mama.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Narayan.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nalini and Narayan. Thank you very much.
All of you.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, Vishwanath sir. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, Vishwanath.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishwanath ji. Thank you, Narayan and Nalini. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vishwanath ji. Thank you, Narayan sir and Nalini.
Now save some thanks for the group. Let's move on.
We have thanked them, but I have to thank all the participants and all the members of Victory Worker People. Without them, this would not have been success. So they are the particular for making this a grand success. So thanks to all participants and all surprise items. Everything went up very well, and very big thanks to everybody. From the bottom of the heart, I am thanking everybody for making this a grand success. And we will have more events like this.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Because you were the one who initiated.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And Mama, thank you for always being the pillar support and backbone for us.
And thank you, teacher.
Thank you,
Thank
Narayan Mama. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, all the Mami. Thank you, Narayan Mama.
Thank you.
For
Thank you.
throughout the 9 days.
Thank you, Gita teacher. Thank you, Vishwanath sir.
Teacher,
Thank you.
teacher, my namaskar is to you today. Guru. Namaskar to the Guru, namaskar is to you, teacher.
Thank you, Narayan. Thank you, Nalini.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Narayan sir. Thank you,
Teacher,
teacher.
blessing kudungo, virtual blessing kudungo.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Ramakrishna, happy
Ramakrishna.
Thank you, teacher and sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Teacher, namaskaram.
Amaru Potibol. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Narayan.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Narayan sir, teacher.
Thank you.
We are all meeting. Coming.
Thank you, Narayan.
Thank you.
All meeting on Saturday. All the way.
Okay, bye everybody.
Teacher, Mama konja frame la mangone teacher oda. Ore or snap, last snap. Wow, lovely. अरे मामा थोड़ा हंस तो दो.
Thank you.
Teacher, from this Saturday,
Thank you.
Thank you.
from this Saturday, start.
This Saturday,
Coming
we are, yeah. Coming Saturday. We are all starting.
Okay,
We are doing a new this thing.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you. Thank you.
We are all joining something new. Yeah.
Teacher, day before yesterday, Nachini ने मारा, कल कान पे ने मार दिया, आज पे ने मार दिया.
आज क्या?
झुमका बोल रहा है आज. जीना है ना, किधर अपना नेटवर्क किधर है?
मामा क्या लगा था गरबा
Teacher, that was the best one, huh? That was the best surprise that you can give us. Mama and you having Garba. Mama, superb dance band, Mama.
awesome dancing.
उंगला नाडू. First time life में गरबा बन रहा हूँ.
Nice Garba teacher. Nice Garba.
சொல்றப்ப நம்ம சொல்லணும் இல்லப்பா இன்னைக்கு குரு வரப்போ சொல்லணும் இல்ல பேக்கு மாதிரி வர முடியாது
काय नव्हे केले एका चिंतीचा विठ्ठल गरबा पडवायचं त्यांना गरबा पडवायची तर विष्णू व्हॉट कॅन वी नॉट डू
The time of COVID.
I will put the YouTube link.
नारायण
I said I will put the YouTube link if you want. Because it says MB5.
Because of network, I didn't say
Thank you, Narayanji.
Yeah,
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, Vishwanath.
for everything.
Okay, see you all. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you all. Bye. See you on Sunday.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.